Have you seen the new group chat function in ChatGPT? And you're probably like, yeah, Chantrell, I'm already using it. But I bet you're not using it like this. First, let's keep it very simple. You're going to think of your group chat like a classroom. So when you walk into the classroom or into your group chat, it's just going to be very empty. It's just an empty room. And what you have to do is walk in and introduce each person in the room. Except in this case, we're going to make digital team members that you're going to create. Okay. It is just you and the assistant. So now here is where your magic is going to happen. Inside of the chat, you're going to tell your assistant that we're turning this, just type it in. Not spelling. We're turning this into a multi-agent workspace. And what that basically means is that we're adding digital workers in here and each one has a job. Okay, so now you see after we typed in, we're turning this into a multi-agent workspace. It says, sounds good. If you like, I can help you set up roles, coordinate how different agents should behave, or explain how a multi-agent workspace can function in this group chat. What would you like your multi-agent setup to do? Then you're going to type in your prompt for your employees. So I'm typing in assistant, create the following roles. And this is based on me being a tax accountant. So I'm setting up a tax team, right? My first role is tax preparer bot. Answer basic client tax questions using plain English. Role 2, bookkeeping bot. Categorize transactions and help with monthly books. Role 3 and role 4 and so on and so forth. And you upload it. Now, remember, I said that you can make this for any business. And especially since you see right here where GPT says, sounds good. If you like, I can help you set up the roles. So it'll literally help you set up the roles of all of your different agents if you just ask it to. So now it has set up my roles. Got it. I can set these up for this workspace. I'll keep them inside this group chat only since I can't save things globally. But from here on, you can call on any of these roles whenever you want to. So you see how it has everything set up for me inside of the chat bot. The group chat. Now it says all roles are now set and ready. And so what you would do is it tells you exactly how to use it right here. All you have to do is say tax preparer bot, explain such and such. QA bot, review what the tax preparer bot just wrote. Well, don't fret because I have a free, yes, I said a free tax deduction list plus a guide to guide you through and tell you every single deduction and exactly why and how you write it off on your taxes. Go ahead and download that today. The link is down below in the description box. You'll thank me later. So now we're going to see how we use this. So let me give you a real life example. Suppose one of your clients emails you and they said, do I need to file quarterly taxes this year? And I don't know about you, but I get these emails and phone calls and text messages multiple times. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on over to your group chat and you're going to write in a few prompts. So tax preparer bot, explain whether this client needs to make estimated tax payments. And then you're going to say admin bot, turn that explanation into a professional email. And then you're going to say QA bot, check that email for accuracy and clarity. And it's done. It's quick, it's simple, and no stress for you. So they're taking care of the little things that you need to do for tax season and sometimes all throughout the year. So that's it. There's one group chat. It's either for your tax team or whatever business you have. You have multiple digital team members all working together, saving you time and helping you run your tax office more efficiently. So, your tax preparer bot gave an explanation in plain English that you can copy and paste and send it over to your client. And make sure that you read it through, though. Make sure it sounds like you. You don't want to just be sending them stuff that doesn't sound like you. And then your admin bot uh went down too fast, sorry. And your admin bot comes up with the actual language for the email. So see there. And then your QA bot looked over everything, make sure it was accurate, make sure all the wording was right, and they approved it to make sure, and then let you that yeah, they approved it to let you know that it's accurate. Now, there's other things that you can integrate with ChatGPT to make it more automated. I'm not actually here talking about that, but I know that there are some tools that you can use to automate things even more so. But for now, just using ChatGPT to do this part is a game changer. It was a game changer for me, and hopefully, it's a game changer for you. Make sure that you keep on watching because I'm going to keep on coming back on here. I'm going to show you how to actually set up each one of the bots separately, going in depth, giving you case scenarios for each bot that you can use for your business. And also, the prompts that I talked about are down in the description box. All you got to do is copy and paste them and put them into your group chat GPT. If you have any questions, please make sure that you put those in the comment section. I will respond to them. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great one. Bye.